On August 25, 2022, deputies stopped a 20-year-old woman at a gas station after noticing signs of impaired driving. She denied being drunk, but field tests and beer found in her car told a different story.
Oh, I did everything! I'm not resisting!
This is what happened next.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Deputy Schwartz, County Sheriff's Office.
I don't have insurance. I do have insurance, but I don't think I have. I never got the,
So we'll talk more about it.
papers.
Hang on the car for me. Stay in the car for me. Be right back. Hi, Miss Alexa. Do me a favor. Step out of the car for me. Alright, here's the deal. Pulled you over for a lane violation. Got all over the place, okay? Relatively simple reason, okay? I make contact with you. There's an odor of alcohol present in the vehicle as I'm speaking with you, okay? From your breath as I talk to you, okay? You still live on Topsail. It's quite a ways away from here, okay? I want to make sure you're safe enough to get in your car and drive home, okay? So that's what I'm hoping to accomplish right now, okay? For the use of standardized field sobriety tests, I want you to show me you're able to operate a motor vehicle without impairment. You understand?
I did it right now. What if I get a ride?
No. You can't call a ride. We're not calling an Uber. We're not doing anything. You're driving your car. I want to make sure that you're able to get in your car and drive home.
What if I ride home?
No. We're not leaving your car here. You're in your vehicle.
Why?
And I have to make sure you're safe enough to drive in your current condition. Okay? Because you were driving when I made contact with you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What if
No.
I ride home? Like, what if my mom? Like, what if I park my car and then my mom?
No,
or, like, why anyone came and got me?
Not an option.
Well, I don't know why. Like, was it me swerving or something? Until you pulled me over?
Leaving your lane, driving completely over the center lane of travel. Were you on your phone? Is there something to explain why that might have been the case?
I don't know why you think I'm like drinking. Like, I don't know.
Well, I can smell alcohol come from your breath even as you're standing here outside of the vehicle.
Okay.
Okay?
I mean, I'm drunk though.
What's that for? Well, I don't know. And it's my job to make sure you're not impaired before you get in your car and drive home from here.
I'm not gonna drive from there. Why can't my mom come and get me
Not
then?
an option. It's you drive home or you don't drive home.
Why? Why can't mom come and get me?
It's not an option. Okay?
Why?
Because you're an operator of a motor vehicle and you were driving
But
a car.
I'm not gonna
You
drive.
were driving
though.
a
But I'm
car in
not.
this condition. You were driving a car in this condition, okay? So it's already, like I said, we're not calling anybody. We're not calling an Uber. You're not calling for a ride.
All right, let's do it then.
Okay, so you want to
Can
participate?
I tell my mom first? Or can I call her and tell her?
No, you're not calling
Why?
anybody. Because you are an adult, okay? And you were driving a car. And I'm going to make sure you're able to drive a car safely home back to Topsail. Okay? When you get a chance, go to the
I
front.
can't. I'll tell her?
No, you cannot.
Why?
Because you're an adult. How old are you?
But I want to call her though.
No, you're not calling anybody right now. Okay?
But I still live at home though, so it's like, why can't I call her and tell her that, yeah, I am doing this?
You're not
Why
calling
can't
anybody.
she be here though? Why? Why?
We're going to go ahead and move on, okay? Right now, are you sick or injured?
No, I'm not. Man, I can't call my mom and tell
No,
her.
you cannot call anybody. You cannot make any phone calls right
I'm not
now.
telling her to come get me. I'm just telling her to come be here.
No. Are you diabetic?
Can I ask
taking
why?
some?
Can I ask why?
Because you're an adult and you're driving a car, and we're not calling. This isn't phone a friend. This isn't call for a ride.
I'm not calling her for a ride. I'm just
right
telling her to call her. Like, tell her like to
I'm
be here and
conducting
this
a
and that.
DUI investigation, and I want to make sure that
Okay,
you're safe
yeah,
to
I
drive home.
understand,
And I don't need your
but-
mom here. Okay, you're an adult. Okay, if you were a minor, then maybe you'd have be cooking with fire. Okay, but that is not an option right now.
But I still am 20 years old though, and it still matters.
Okay, we're not calling anybody. Okay. For this first one, if you come back here, Alexa, we're going to stand right here. We're staying right
Why
here.
is it trivial though? Why is it trivial?
Because everything's being audio and video recorded, okay? And it's our policy to have two officers.
But yeah.
It's our policy to have two officers present while we're doing a DUI investigation, okay?
Can you call my mom?
Yeah. Hey, I can drive the car.
No, not an option. Stay over there.
You need to step away.
The second person to offer the driver a call. We're not doing this, okay? So I need you to stand here and face me if you'd like to participate.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to stand right here.
Why can't I call my mom? Why can't she be here? Like,
Because it is not an option. I've explained to you that you're an adult and I'm conducting an investigation, and I'm hoping that you'll participate to dispel my concern that you may have been operating a motor vehicle while impaired, okay? That's what I'm hoping to accomplish. I would like your cooperation in that, okay? But right now, I'm sensing that you're not cooperating with my requests, okay? Is there any reason for that?
No, I'm going to, but why can't I call
You're
my
going
mom
to.
and be
I'd
here?
like you to do it now, Because you're impeding my investigation.
Why can't I have her?
I've explained to you numerous times that is not an option. I'm not calling your mother. If he wants to call your mom, that's fine. But if she shows up here, I'm going to do the same thing I just told her to do. Stay away from us, okay? Because she is not a part of this. It's between me and you, okay? So if you can stand right here and face me. We're going to stand with our feet together and our toes and our heels together, just like that, okay? Can you see the red tip of my finger right here? You see it?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? It's going to move side to side. We're just going to follow with our eyes. Do you understand?
You do that many times?
Yep.
Other times?
That's
Okay.
right. We're getting there.
I've been with like people before who, I've been arrested for twice, so I think I know how it works. Like, I think we should know now.
Just keep following with your eyes and your eyes only. You can go up and down now, okay?
Does it last this long?
Yes, it does.
It does?
Yep.
I'll never be this long.
Well, we're not trained in DUI investigations.
Well, I mean, I've been through a DUI,
Okay,
so.
that doesn't mean you're
I'm
trained
not
in DUI.
talking shit, I'm just saying
You are
I've
arguing
been
with
through
me
it.
right now,
I'm not
okay?
arguing, I'm just saying I've been through this, so.
Do you see the stimulus, the red tip of my finger?
Because sometimes cops fuck with people, and like they shouldn't. I'm just saying, like they do, like they have power over like other shit. Like it's not.
Okay. Would you like to continue?
I'm just saying. So I'm not saying you. I'm just saying like there's
Sorry,
like
I
cops
didn't
who
touch
like
your hand. I apologize for
I
that.
think they have power over like other shit, and it's not even worth it. So.
Okay. Do you see the red stimulus?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to follow. It's going to go up and down now, okay?
Yeah. Good. Pass. Right. Pass. Okay.
No, we're
Next one.
going to continue, okay?
Okay. We'll continue. What is that? Like just like my mom now?
No.
Why? Why?
I've told you numerous times you're not calling your mother, okay?
Why? Can I please know why?
No, because she doesn't need to be here. She's
Why?
not calling us.
Why though?
You're an adult.
I want to know why.
You're an adult, and she is not going to be present for this, okay? So we're going to continue, okay? We don't really have a line to work with in the parking lot, unless you want to relocate over there, where it's a solid yellow line. But otherwise, we're going to do it right here. So, would you like to go over there with your blessing?
Well, what's the normal line that it's supposed to be on though?
Well, we work with what we're given, okay? And we're in a business.
Work what you're given. Work what you're given.
Yeah, I've pulled you over in a gas station. There's no lines in our immediate area. We can relocate over
So what's
there.
the normal line though? Like a straight line? 'Cause we can go in the street.
I would not like to go on the street. I'd
Why
like to go
not?
right there. There's a yellow line right
Why
there.
can't we go in the street though?
It's not safe.
That's a skinnier line though.
Well,
Y'all will
that's a
get
standard
anyone
line.
on anything. Y'all will get anyone for any little thing they fuck up on. Y'all get them for that. So let's go in the street then, because I don't care about
We
hitting
could
anybody.
use an imaginary line right here as well. Are you okay with that?
Well, no, actually we can do imaginary line, because then y'all are gonna, no, we can't do that.
I'm gonna have you stand where you were
No,
standing.
we can't do that. It's not a line. It's not a line. Don't. And one little step off, you're gonna be like, oh.
Okay. Would you like to move on?
On a normal line.
Okay, we're not
normal
gonna go-
line like.
I hope that we
Line?
don't. I hope we're not at an impasse here. We have a solid yellow line right there. It's nice and straight. It's about the width that we need. Okay. Or we can use an imaginary line right
It's not
here.
the same as that. It's not the same. It's not the same as that line though on the street though.
Well, we don't have to use a line on the street.
But if I still f up on that line, you can take me to jail. I'm not dumb. I've been through this. I've been through this stuff.
Would you like to continue or like to move
Should
on
we
to
do it on
another
that
one?
line? Should we do it on that
We're
line?
not going out into the street. Okay, we're gonna go out. We can either use this yellow line right there, or use one of these yellow lines right here. What would you
Why?
rather?
Why? That's the normal line you do it on
Okay,
though.
or we can use an imaginary line right here.
Right,
See, right
imaginary-
here, I've given you 3 options, Mr. Nakara. Okay?
Okay, what's the imaginary line? Show
Imaginary
me,
line
show
is a
me.
line
Okay, show
about
me.
the width of your foot. Okay? Well, I'm gonna have you stand. I'm not gonna abbreviate
Yeah,
this.
I'm a little
Okay?
slow, so I don't really understand like.
Okay.
What
So
can
you know how you were
explain
standing,
once?
ma'am? Will you stand right there for me where you were standing and face this
Okay,
way?
but this is a normal. That's a single line, and that's a
We're
fat
gonna
line.
pretend that we have a line that goes as long as we need. It's only about 9 feet long. Okay. We're gonna stand with that line, with our left foot on that line, and our right foot directly in front of it, heel toe fashion, just like that. Could you get in that position for me? Just like that.
Okay, so we're doing this right there, but I thought something in a normal line though.
No, we can use an imaginary line. When I instruct you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps along that line. Okay? You take a series of small steps around your lead foot, just like that. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay.
So 9 here and 9 down.
Yep. It's just how I explain it. So,
That.
my body-worn camera, okay, I'm going to film it. So when you're ready, go ahead and begin.
What are you filming?
You're being audio video recorded this whole time.
Why?
So this is how we document traffic stops, okay? So when you're ready to begin, go ahead.
So 9 here, 9 back.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have any questions?
Hey, but I think we should do this on the normal line because
I offered you an imaginary line, the yellow line over there, the yellow line over here.
She gets twisted with cops though. She gets twisted with like anything. If you step off a little tiny bit of the line, it's fucking twisted. So
It's about the width of your foot, okay? And there's a difference between stepping off and stepping a little to the side, okay? So it's about the width of your foot, all right? So when you were ready to begin, go right
so
ahead.
it's heel to toe, right?
Heel to toe,
right?
yep. Just as I demonstrated.
So this is my first one, right?
Your first
What?
step is with your left foot.
Seven, 8, 9, right? Right?
Do you remember?
No, it's 9. So how is that wrong? That's more than 9.
You know, I've been standing
What are we doing this
with our
for?
toes.
Like-
I want to make sure you're able to safely drive home to
Okay,
Topsail. Okay, it's a ways down there. It's off of Sunnybrook. Okay, so feet and toes together, just like that. Okay, can you make 2 pointer fingers just like this and bring it back down to your side? Okay, when I instruct you to, you're going to close your eyes and tilt your head back. Okay, you don't have to do it yet. I'll tell you when. Okay, so after you close your eyes and tilt your head back, I'm going to call out a series of commands. Okay, I'm going to say left. When I say left, you can take the left tip of your finger and touch the tip of your nose.
This is not a DUI thing.
You bring it back down to your side without being instructed.
Can I just know why am I doing this? It's not a DUI thing.
When I say right,
No,
you do the same thing.
I
You take the
just
right
know.
tip of your finger,
I
touch the tip of your nose,
Please,
and bring it back down to your side without being
This
instructed.
isn't a DUI thing, so can I
It
just
is.
know why?
I assure you it is.
I've had
okay?
a DUI. I've never did this with my DUI though, so how is that a thing?
It is a thing. It's part of standardized field sobriety tasks. Okay, I'm asking you to participate. Okay, it's your choice. I've explained it,
I
demonstrated.
passed pretty much almost every.
Ma'am, you need to stay over there.
Do you want me to continue?
That's fantastic. You need to stay over there.
You want me to start over again?
You need to stay over there.
When I pass someone,
If you ask another question, it's going to be obstruction.
Stop! Don't!
Okay.
Don't! No.
Would you like me to explain and demonstrate again?
No, but I've been through this before though.
Okay. So do you want to participate or should we move on?
We've already moved on many times.
Okay, this is the last one. This is the last one I ask you to participate. Okay? So again, feet together, like I have.
Do it again.
Okay? Toes and heels together. Pointer fingers.
Right, I've never done this before though, so is this
Well,
you making it up?
I'm explaining and demonstrating.
You
it to
making this up?
It's standardized. I'm not making anything up.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay?
Yes, cops make things up though.
Okay.
Nothing me like any cops.
I'm
They fucking make shit from twitching their brain.
I'm not making anything up. So again, feet together, pointer fingers, down our side.
They are.
Do you want me to explain it?
they're
Do you want me to
down.
explain again?
Yeah, please do.
Okay. So pointer finger down your side. When I tell you to, you're gonna close your eyes and tilt your head back. Okay. You don't have to do it yet. Just watch me. Okay. I'm gonna call out a series of commands. Okay. I'm gonna say left. When I say left, you take the left tip of your finger, touch your tip of your nose, just like that.
But
Okay.
my head's gonna be back, or
And
I'm gonna have my head
yes.
fixed.
You're gonna have your head back and your eyes closed.
But your head's not back.
I'm explaining and demonstrating. Okay.
Yeah, well, you're not demonstrating for me.
I am.
You're not demonstrating
I'm not
for
going
me.
to tilt my head back and close my eyes in front of you. I'm not going to do that. Okay. But I'm demonstrating and I don't have to. Okay. So again, I've said left. When I say right, take the right tip of your finger and touch the tip of your nose, just like that. Bring it back down to your side without me telling you to do so. Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
So if I have to turn my head back,
I'll tell you when. You don't have to do it yet. Okay. When I say tip of your finger, I mean the very tip, no other part of your finger. Tip of your finger to the tip of your nose, just like that. Do you have any questions?
here.
Yep, just like that.
But why doesn't it have back though? Why doesn't it have back?
It's part of the
break
task.
my neck? How far will
No, it's about 45 degrees, just like that. Okay, you don't have to
You
bend
didn't
over backwards.
demonstrate. You didn't demonstrate.
Well, I don't have to. Okay.
Well, I never did. When I had DUI test, you didn't do this. So.
Okay.
They
Would
didn't
you
do
like
this.
to continue?
Yeah, I'm confused. But I'm just saying, like, is this something you're making up? Because when I did my
I
DUI test, like,
assure you
is
I'm
it
not
different with
making
other cops? I'm just asking. Like,
It's
is it different with other cops? Is it different?
standardized field sobriety task. Okay.
But my sobriety test, it wasn't like this though.
It's a standardized
It
field
was like
sobriety
a year
task.
ago.
Okay. Standardized field sobriety task. Okay. So again, when you're ready, we're gonna move on. So when you're
Okay,
ready,
is this the last one?
yes.
Okay.
You close your eyes and tilt your head back. Okay. You don't have to bend over backwards. That's a little far.
Okay, how far do you want me to go?
About 45 degrees, just like that. Okay.
My finger to my nose, right? Right.
I'm gonna tell you which finger
right?
to use. You should touch your finger to your nose, okay?
Eyes closed, right? Or eyes open?
Eyes closed the entire time.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Right. And left.
Done?
Yep, you're all done. Right. You are going to be placed under arrest for DUI today. Place your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Do not resist me, okay?
Why do all different? Mom.
Pulling away, stop it.
Right here, don't.
Stop it.
Don't resist it.
Stop it. Put your hands together.
Just passed everything.
She's been,
Other charge.
you're getting resistance. Stay back! Stay back! I'm not playing with you either. Stay back! She's getting charged with it.
Hey, don't resist it.
I did everything. I did everything, Mom.
Passed it all. I see it.
Everything.
I watched you pass it all.
Stop it. You're gonna lock it. Into the back of the car. Stop.
I did everything. I did everything. What the fuck, bro?
Sit down. Sit down.
I'm on probation, Mom.
Violation too.
Seriously, dude?
Go to your car. Go to your car and leave.
I'm gonna tow truck driver because that's my property. So yes, I will.
Who's the car
I have the
registered
right to
to?
stand
registered
here
to
with
her.
my property.
No, it's registered to her. It's not
Yes.
hers. Yeah.
That's everything. Everything. I watched it.
Okay. Me too.
And I watched the whole thing. I
1 second, bud.
tried to walk up nice. I tried to walk
Step
up
out.
nice.
Why?
Because I think you undid your cuffs. Step out.
No, I didn't.
Turn that way.
Why does it matter?
Because I'm checking her handcuffs now. Turn that way.
Check your head. Come on, it's fucking tight.
Yeah.
No, I did. Let go of me.
I watched it.
Then let go of me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I did nothing.
Pulling away is resisting.
Hey. Why do you hold us to Bryce for no reason? Get on my, why are you yelling on my car? Right, I passed everything. I passed everything though. I passed everything though. So I passed though. Why? But I passed. So why can't I talk to my mom? Let me talk to her for 1 second. Let me talk to her then. Let me talk to her. Let me talk to her.
Have a seat.
Yo! Get on my car, please, Mom!
Car. Get in the car.
Please, Mom!
Get in the
Go
car.
in my fucking car, please!
Because I'm going to tell you right now she did. He's a fool that just strong-armed her, and you witnessed it all, and you seen it.
Yes, because she resisted.
No, she did not resist.
right.
She just said no, and then all she's
Okay,
saying is let me talk about it.
resisting-
That's why he just
hold on.
checked her.
Do you wanna
cuffs
listen or
because
you
they were
wanna
too
keep
tight.
talking?
Too tight. That's why he checked
Resisting
her cuffs.
is pulling, pushing, anything
That's an
active
extra
like
charge
that.
for you guys to get.
She had active
Now-
resistance against him.
No, he
All right?
didn't. Come on,
Yes,
he's
she
double
did.
her fucking size. He's fucking up
Okay.
500 pounds to
Okay.
a 90 pound.
If I have you in handcuffs and you're pulling away,
No.
preventing
If
me
he-
from putting you in handcuffs,
You know what he's pulling away for?
What?
Because he's got him so fucking tight. That's why he just checked him again.
they weren't tight.
She said they're
just
so
slipped
tight.
out of them.
Bull-
She slipped
Bullshit.
out of them. It's
Bullshit.
all
I
on
watched
camera.
him.
Yeah, and she
It's
wasn't
my
wearing
kid.
the
I
camera.
watched it.
Okay.
He's
We-
strong on
I-
the f out of her. He's 500 pounds to her 90 pounds. He threw her up against the back, fucking did all this shit to her. I watched it.
All right.
And you stood there and witnessed it too.
Yeah, I helped him take her
Yeah.
into custody.
He's I don't even want him driving.
nothing
He's
that
probably gonna
officer-
slap the f out of her.
The woman was charged with DUI, resisting, possession of alcohol as a minor, and refusing to submit to testing. She later received 1 year of probation, a 1-year license suspension, and 50 hours of community service.